Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.pop and this is another Click Look video where me and Penny the Piggy look at various art books and magazines, and today we're looking at this one, issue 114 for the month of November 2014, and we've got a very impactful cover. Really cool. Look at the eyes there. I love that as well when you get the sparkliness on the face. So I feel like any other year this would probably be one of my favourite, well, it would have been potentially my favourite cover. But look at the covers we've had so far this year. We've just had so many cool covers this year. It's been fantastic. So what would I say? My favourite cover is still this one here. Oh yeah, I feel like this is still my favourite though. So the May 2014 is still the best cover of the year, but again, really nice one this, and I like the colours. Purple. So let's get into this one. Little Penny the Piggy's gonna let us in. I like her eyes, I do. It's cool. Little kiss for Claire. As we look inside this one, a free digital issue. So you can get this as a digital as well. I like the look of that one. Gonna be talking about myths. Nothing's jumping out. Well, that one is. I like that one. Let's get into this. Look, these are the videos, which we don't look at anymore. But yeah, I like that. Look at the textures on that. Look. Oh, cool. How cool is that? This is the artist, look, Class Whitman. See, this is a thing where I'd like to see more of their artwork. They've got like Loic Zimmerman sort of brush strokes. Oh, cool. We've been spoilt this year with the FX Pose section, I think. Bit mangery. Look, one minute you've got manga, another minute you've got these sort of fantasy things, next minute you've got this creepy skeleton. And then we've got a futuristic. Look, it's cool. If that'd been me, I think I would have took him out of it. Just had the landscape. I like the way the little person pops there. The Art of Imitation. What's it say? Look, it is true, as the quote goes, that good artists copy and great artists steal. It goes into a little bit like this. When was it? Can you hear that shouting outside? Naughty people shouting. This one here, look, issue 112. They were inspired by a classic piece of artwork, but they made it their own. That's what they're talking about there, look. Ghastly Gallery. Oh yeah, liking this, look. Tim Bruckner's art studio. He's in the loft. I've always liked those sort of ceilings. You got a Hoover as well. He's probably just hoovered up and forgot to take the Hoover out. Father Christmas, what's he doing there? That's a fun one, that. The letters, good old letters. I love that one. Artists Q&A. There's a horrible advert out at the moment. I'm seeing it in all the bus shelters. You've got like an orc and a human looking at each other, and it says something like, well, one Coke away from each other or something. I don't like it. I feel like what it's saying is, if you keep drinking Coca-Cola, you're going to turn into a reptilian. That's what I think. I like that one. I like that as well. That's Nick. I love his little image. Photoshop guide. Starting out. The language of layers. See, this would be a good one for articles on the podcast. Oh, what a cool article this is. Yay! Video game art next week. We'll be looking at that next week. Video game art. Bungie. Retro game art. Oh yeah. Evoke the look and feel of 80s video game art. Can't wait for that. Miles Johnston's sketchbook. Seen this artist before. I've looked into it. Look. I've looked into. Yay! Oh, see, I think it was about 2 years ago for Inktober. I actually turned these two images into little Sophies. I love that one there. What I did was I did that, so I made the whole thing black at the back. I didn't bother with that bit because I thought it looked cool with the white and black. What I liked about this one was the mystery of a face being hidden. Squeezing a bum there, look. Into the workshops. I like the look of him. And that one. Beautiful this is. Charlie Bowater. Again, I love the way they colour the article to reflect the image. It's cool. Composition, myths and methods. A James Gurney. A James Gurney. So we got, what have we got here? Top 14 tips for composition. Be interesting. Oh, look at the colours here. Beautiful blues and oranges. Blue, orange and yellow. I love the vibe. He's trying to escape, I think. I'm loving the colours of that one. How to set up 3D models. Texture tips. Look, he's sipping a little tea. What? Checkered board. I like this one. Sculpting the Perfect Portrait. Looks like watercolour. Yeah, look, watercolour is a tradition medium. Beautiful. I like the way she's sort of blending. Almost as if she's like a ghost. Pencil. That's a bit weird, isn't it? 61 quid that is. Or probably about £1 now on eBay. Bamboo stylus. Interesting. Sci-fi and fantasy oil painting. Yeah, still got the cool paper. Fantasy Illustrator. This is the FX poser. Oh yeah, I like that. I've sketched that before as well. I got that in one of my sketchbooks. Boston Figurative Art Centre. Look how cool that is, look. Painting an original dragon. Oh, I really hope we get to see dragons. I know they're out there somewhere. Dragons might actually be aliens. They might have gone off to another planet or something. And this is our first impressions, which means it's another one finished. Again, it was another brilliant one. Issue 114 for November 2014. And next week we're looking at this, video games. Da-la-la. Oh, I can't believe it. It's another beautiful cover. This year's been so cool for covers, I tell you. We love game art. Well, that'll be next week. I hope you enjoyed this one though. Look at this one, look, issue 114. It was brilliant. And I shall see you later for another one. Little Penny will be back with us as well. Boing!